Greetings, comrades. This is Evergreen Caleb. Let me turn down the sound a bit. Thank God for this brand new soundbar. Not only that, but there's actually sound going through the soundbar. Looks like a Wallaby. I might have to use this remote. So yeah, I actually got the soundbar to work here for the Steam Deck, and so far no cutout, but I'm gonna keep playing to make sure I'll post on the screen whether or not there's still audio cutout. But anyway, a few days ago I posted a video about my new Vizio 2.0 soundbar down there. Tried my best to get it perfectly on at the bottom of the TV, and yes, the regular remote still works. It doesn't block the sensor. In fact, that light right under the TV logo is a sensor, and it works fine. But anyway, I decided to replace the old AV cable with an optical audio cable. I actually got one from Amazon Basics. It was just like 10 bucks. So I figured I'd give that a try, and it fixed the problem, because even playing YouTube, sometimes audio will cut off. But after using this cable, there's actually sound going through it now. Like before, it had to utilize the HDMI throughput in order to transmit video and audio. But now the audio is going perfectly now, and it sounds really good. In fact, let's see if I can increase the bass just a little bit. Because with the regular AV cable, with the adapter, there was a little bit of hissing when you max out the bass and treble of the soundbar. So what I did was I had to turn down the bass and treble all the way down to the minimum, and it eliminated most of the hissing. But there shouldn't be hissing in the first place, especially on a soundbar. So I decided to give the optical input and output a try. And yeah, this is actually my first time using optical audio for anything. And holy crap, I'm glad I did, because it sounds incredible. In fact, let me jazz it up just a little bit, because as I showed off in the previous video, well, I just found out something. This is the remote for the RGB strips I have behind the TV, and it actually turns off the soundbar. Well, that's interesting. That didn't happen with the regular auxiliary. Let's go try it back here behind the TV. Okay. Well, that's interesting. I never heard of that happening before. So, you learned something new in this video. Well, two things. Use optical audio cables if you're using a soundbar. And if you have RGB strips behind your TV, beware when you use this. You have to touch the sensor itself for the strips, because otherwise you'll turn off your soundbar. I've never heard of that happening before. Granted, I didn't try it with the auxiliary, but eh. But anyway, so glad I finally got around to getting my soundbar to work again. Now maybe I can play my Steam Deck on the TV with some much improved audio. So anyway, this is Evergreen Caleb signing out. Have a good day.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.